Another health scare this evening, I should say, whooping cough. This one in Greenville County.
Doctors say there are at least 8 confirmed cases. A few months ago, we told you about the outbreak in Henderson County that grew to 80 cases. Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, starts with symptoms like a cold but turns into violent coughing fits. It used to be a rare illness, but health officials say it's popping up more and more.
For the most part, it just presents like the common cold, and during this time, 1 to 2 weeks is extremely contagious, spread through respiratory droplets. So breathing the same air, coughing, sneezing, or even touching a surface that has been contaminated.
The nurse practitioner says the illness is more prevalent in younger and older people, but if you have any symptoms at any age, see your health care provider.